Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zapier interfaces for secure credential workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you on how to set up secure credential workflows using Zapier interfaces. First, log into your Zapier account. Navigate to the Zapier interfaces section on the dashboard. Click on Create New Interface to start your new project. Choose a template, or start from scratch based on your needs. For a credential workflow, select Form as your interface type. Name your interface clearly to reflect its purpose. Add the necessary fields for credential input, such as username and password. Ensure all fields are marked as required to avoid incomplete submissions. To enhance security, enable the Hide Input option for sensitive fields. Next, integrate the appropriate app where the credentials will be used. Click on Connect a new account to authorize Zapier with the necessary permissions. Once connected, set up an action by choosing the correct trigger based on your workflow. Configure the action step by mapping the input fields from your interface to the app fields. Use the built-in options for encryption if available to secure sensitive data. Test the workflow to ensure it captures and transfers credentials correctly. Check for any error messages or warnings during the testing phase. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. Once complete, save your interface in Workflows. Share your interface link securely with users who will need to input credentials. Monitor submissions regularly to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This concludes our detailed guide on creating secure credential workflows with Zapier interfaces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.